Hey guys, so this is the app Monopoly Go app. I'm gonna open it, and here I have my username and I have a shop, so we need to click on shop. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have free dice rolls and cash, and they are going up and up. That's really insane, and this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how you can get these free cash and dice rolls. Okay, it's 25 million cash and 18,000 free dice rolls. So the first thing we need to do is to go to settings, then general, then background app refresh, and background app refresh, and make sure that it is on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. And let's go back to settings, and let's go to battery, and make sure that low power mode is off, not on. Let's go back to settings, and let's go to App Store, and make sure that automatic downloads are on, not off. And we're done with settings. Now what you need to do is to go to any browser you want, and then go and search for this website, generatedicerolls.com. Okay, so this is the website, generatedice.com. Okay, so here I'm going to choose 3,000 dice rolls and 25 million cash, and here I'm going to enter my username. Okay, then Apple, proceed. So you need to choose from which device, then click on generate. So as you can see guys, it's connecting now. Okay, let's just click on verify. Don't panic, you just need to verify that you are. Okay, I'm going to click on download, and let's go and check the first app. Yeah, it's downloaded. So what we need to do is just visit it as a normal visitor. Okay, don't allow, restore data. Okay, let's check settings. I think we're done with this app. Okay, let's get out, and we will do the same thing with TikTok. We will just go and visit it as a normal visitor, then we're gonna get out. Okay, so what we need to do is just choose our interests from here, then next, just act normal, like you are discovering this app. Okay, just scroll a little, watch some videos. Okay, that's all. So I'm gonna get out from it, and let's go to Monopoly Go up. And as you can see, I'm getting free dice rolls and cash again, and they are going up and up. As I told you, it's not something difficult, it's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're gonna be able to get these free dice rolls and cash. Okay, this was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and see you guys in the next video. And as you can see, I'm getting free dice rolls and cash.